General Nartates, sir. Sorry, breaking news lang. Naglabas na po ng warrant of arrest laban kay Atong ang isang korte mula sa Laguna, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Hawak na po ba natin ang warrant and when do we intend to serve it?
Diyan tayo nagpapasalamat, lalong-lalo na sa media. Napakabilis talaga. True that warrant of arrest were issued against Charlie T.V.Y. Ang alias Atong Ang at na-receive po or kasalukuyang nagko-coordinate po ang ating police dun sa concerned branch 26 of Santa Cruz, Laguna. And we have some of the personalities subject of that warrant of arrest are actually in custody sa Philippine National Police kasi restrictive custody sila doon. I think there are about 10 or 11 police personnel who are under restricted custody, and they are now being directed to surrender to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. And the others, the dedicated teams of the PNP are now on their way to implement the warrant of arrest.
Are we anticipating any difficulty with the service of the warrant? Do we know the whereabouts of Mr. Ang?
Okay. We have certain procedures in implementing warrant of arrest, hindi lang warrant of arrest, at different police operations. This is a implementation of warrant of arrest. Meron tayong procedure and the PNP personnel, all PNP personnel involved are, of course, mandated na sundin ito. At gagawin nilang lahat para ma-implement.
Again, yung whereabouts po ni Mr. Ang, tukoy po natin.
Tukoy ang ating warrant of arrest or location of Charlie Atong Ang, different location, and it will be served in those locations.
A court in Laguna has issued an arrest order for businessman Charlie Atong Ang and several others in connection with a case of the missing cockfighting enthusiast. Our very own Adrian Ayalin on the line now with details. Adrian, what more can you tell us?
Hi, Carmina. The Santa Cruz Laguna Regional Trial Court Branch 26 has issued a warrant of arrest against Charlie Atong Ang and others for kidnapping with homicide in connection with the missing Sabongeros case. In the order issued by Presiding Judge Mary Jean Kahandabong, dated January 13, 2026, the warrant is for the non-bailable kidnapping with homicide case that Ang and the others are facing. The order is addressed to, quote, unquote, any officer of the law. Kahandabong said the concerned officers of the law are required to use at least one body-worn camera. With homicide are 17 others, including Rogelio Borican Jr., Jezreel Mahilum, Mark Carlos Zabala, Rodelo Anigig. In two other separate orders, meantime, the court also ordered the arrest of Ang and others for kidnapping and serious illegal detention. Aside from Ang, also ordered arrested are Ryan J. Orapa, Mike, which agency, but normally law enforcement agencies such as the Philippine National Police or the National Bureau of Investigation receive a
National Police, unang-una magandang umaga sa Malacanang Press Corps. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Magandang umaga sa Armed Forces. Magandang umaga Secretary Toledo. As well as maraming salamat Yusek Claire Castro sa pagkakataong ito. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ang Philippine National Police sa pag-legislate ng aming pondo, the General Appropriations Act, Republic Act 12314 for the Philippine National Police, particularly sa ating Presidente, sa pag-aproba, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., and of course our legislators, the Senate, the Congress, in legislating our needed funds for 2026. And of course, I would like to credit also the good guidance of our good Secretary Juan Victor Junvic Remulla in continuous giving guidance for the Philippine National Police, especially in strengthening the efforts of the Philippine National Police for the peace and order, public safety of our community, and of course, good governance. And our budget for the Philippine National Police have increased by 10% from 205 billion to 226 billion for this year. And rest assured that this budget This that corresponds to the various programs, activities, and projects of the Philippine National Police will be geared towards the building of a safer community and a better police service for all Filipinos. That is ensuring our mantra, bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas, serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.
Maraming salamat po. Para po sa unang katanungan, Alvin Baltasar, Radyo Pilipinas.
General Nartates, magandang umaga po. Sir, may nakaschedule na ba kayong oath-taking before the President para doon sa force tank rank ninyo? Since nag-assume na naman si General Torre as MMMDA General Manager.
4 months ago, I took my oath as the Chief of the Philippine National Police and I was designated by the President as the Chief PNP. Pero merong 4-star, that's why my order was as acting Chief PNP. And with regards to the pending 4-star, it's up to the NAPOLCOM that administers the Philippine National Police. Pagka nag-submit na sila ng recommendation for the promotion sa akin. As of now, starting August 26, hindi ko na inisip yun eh. Ang inisip ko lang is how to handle a bureaucracy under the Department of Interior Local Government consisting of 230,000 PNP personnel plus the needed police services sa 100 million community members.
General,
So as of now, wala pa akong information about.
wala pang info. Anyway, General, may napag-uusapan na rin yung tungkol sa impeachment. Mukhang February, sinasabing may magpa-file ng impeachment. Pinaghahandaan din po ba ng Philippine National Police yung possible scenarios na pwedeng maganap, ano yung mga ina-anticipate natin dito sa possible impeachment case na
The
ipa-file?
Philippine National Police ay laging handa po for any eventuality, especially management of activities like that. We are ready to ensure public safety and implement relative laws relative to that activity. Ang activity na yan is impeachment and therefore we're gonna secure the place of kung saan magkakaroon ng impeachment and of course secure the necessary activity plus the personality. And we are ready for that.
Follow po, Ivan Mayri ng GMA7.
General Nartates, sir, sorry, breaking news lang. Naglabas na po ng warrant of arrest laban kay Atong ang isang korte mula sa Laguna, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Hawak na po ba natin ang warrant and when do we intend to serve it?
Diyan tayo nagpapasalamat, lalo na sa media. Napakabilis talaga. True that warrant of arrest were issued against Charlie T.W.Y. Ang alias Atong Ang at na-receive po or kasalukuyang nagko-coordinate po ang ating police dun sa concerned branch 26 of Santa Cruz, Laguna. And we have some of the personalities subject of that warrant of arrest are actually in custody sa Philippine National Police kasi restrictive custody sila doon. I think there are about 10 or 11 police personnel who are under restrictive custody and they are now being directed to surrender to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. And the others, the dedicated teams of the PNP are now on their way to implement the warrant of arrest.
Are we anticipating any difficulty with the service of the warrant? Do we know the whereabouts of Mr. Ang?
Okay. We have certain procedures in implementing warrant of arrest, hindi lang warrant of arrest, at different police operations. This is a implementation of warrant of arrest. Meron tayong procedure and the PNP personnel, all PNP personnel involved are, of course, mandated na sundin ito. At gagawin nila ang lahat para ma-implement.
Again, yung whereabouts po ni Mr. Ang, tukoy po natin.
Tukoy ang ating warrant of arrest or location of Charlie Atong Ang, different location, and it will be served in those locations.
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Sunod na katanungan, Tuesday New DZBB.
Good morning, sirs. To General Nartates, sir, speaking of warrants of arrest, alam natin may mga warrants of arrest din yung iba pang kilalang personalities. Naitanong ko po ito kahapon kay Secretary John Vic Rimulya, pero mas maigi raw na kayo po ang makasagot. Ano po ang mga action ngayon na ginagawa ng PNP para maipauwi na sa bansa o madakip nyo na o maaresto ito pang ilang personalities like former Director General Gerald Bantag. Sabi ni Secretary John V. kahapon na mataan ito sa Cordillera Administrative Region. So ano po ang nagiging hadlang para siya ay makuha po ninyo?
Of course, sinabi ko nga may procedures tayo in implementing warrant of arrest. Hindi naman basta-basta pag may information pumunta dito sa isang lugar, susugod kagad tayo. Our operation should be deliberate at inaayos po natin. For example, citing the warrant of arrest against General Bantag, actually hindi lang siya ang na-issue ng warrant of arrest. There are 4 more or about 4 co-accused dun sa kaso na yon. In fact, when I was the regional director of NCRPO, 2 among those personalities under subject of warrant of arrest na kasama ni General Bantag ay naaresto natin dun sa Lipa City and even shoot himself. Kaya namatay. And they are from Mindoro. So, sinaside ko na yung lugar. We are hot on the tracks on those covered by warrant of arrest. Not only Bantag, but there are, as of now, meron 200,000 plus covered with warrant of arrest, wanted person. And for this year, for 2025, about 110,000 ang naaresto ng ating PNP. So gumagalaw po ang ating PNP. Soon, day after day, week by week, month after month, di po natutulog ang ating police para implement po ang warrant of arrest to serve justice.
Yes, sir. Another warrants of arrest din po dito kay, alam natin mahirap yung pagpapauwi dito po kay ex-representative Zaldico. Kailangan po ng masalimuot na proseso daw po yan. How about dito kay Attorney Harry Roque? Ano na po ba ang ginagawang aksyon ng PNP? O ano yung coordination ninyo with other agencies para mapabilis yung kanilang pagpapabalik dito sa Pilipinas?
Okay. We have other partners, stakeholders, especially the international partners natin abroad. Meron tayong international police and others to help us. Meron tayong MOA, understanding with them for implementation of warrant of arrest. At ito po ay umaandar. Once na makita natin kung pinpoint exactly kung nasan sila and gagawin po natin na makuha sila. And of course, by due process.
Yes, sir. So far, sir, ano po ang update doon sa coordination nyo with the international partners? Mayroon na ba silang information about the locations of these personalities?
As of now, wala pa po.
Thank you, sir.
Gangster, you know, we do that better than anybody.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boy.